When she started taking care of these cockatiels at a parrot sanctuary, she did not think this would happen. These 4 cockatiels were taken on by our trainer, Pipe. When we took them into our aviary, we weren't sure if they would get along. Cockatiels are social birds, but they have different personalities and can sometimes fight each other. After waiting a few weeks, Ollie, Frankie, Coco and Poutine started to get more comfortable and cuddly. And after some introducing, they now love to hang out and sing together and have become best friends. We're still struggling with the massive amount of requests to take an abandoned parrot, but if everyone watching donated a few dollars just like this, we could finally build an outdoor aviary. Anything helps.